Good morning everybody. Myself Dr. Srividya. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss regarding fatty liver and how we can prevent it. Fatty liver is also known as hepatic steatosis. Fatty liver happen when fat built up in the liver. There are two types of fatty liver. First one is alcoholic fatty liver and second one is non-alcoholic fatty liver. Alcoholic fatty liver will happen to one who consume a large amount of alcohol for a long time. This is how healthy liver and fatty liver will be. What are the causes of fatty liver? Alcoholic fatty liver, the main cause is alcohol. So, what is happening actually? Liver will break down majority of the alcohol and is removed from the body. While this breaking down, so much of toxic substances are liberated from the body, and these toxic substances are injurious to liver. When the person drinks again and again, this injury will become more severe and resulting in fatty liver. The actual cause of non-alcoholic fatty liver is unknown, but so many risk factors are there for this non-alcoholic fatty liver. So we will see what are those risk factors. Risk factors are type 2 diabetes and pre-diabetes, have obesity. Sometimes if somebody is having rapid weight loss, they are also under risk. And another risk factors are middle age or elderly people, increased level of cholesterol and triglycerides, high blood pressure, and some drugs such as corticosteroid will also increases the risk of fatty liver, and some infections such as hepatitis C. And in non-alcoholic fatty liver, we can even see some genetic inheritance, and if exposed to some toxic substances can also increases the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver. Now we'll see what are the symptoms of fatty liver. In many cases, fatty liver causes no noticeable symptoms. You may feel tired or experience discomfort or pain in the upper right side of your abdomen. Some may feel nausea or diarrhea, loss of appetite, weight loss or jaundice. Nowadays, fatty liver is as common as diabetes and hypertension. So whether we can reverse this fatty liver? How long does it take to reverse fatty liver? There are three stages of liver damage. First one is fatty liver or hepatic steatosis, and second is steatohepatitis, and next is liver cirrhosis. So fatty liver and next stage steatohepatitis we can reverse by means of lifestyle modification, food and by some medication. But if it is not at all controlled and if it is converted into liver cirrhosis, we can't able to reverse that particular condition. What are the management you have to do for preventing this fatty liver or reversing this fatty liver? Some modification in your lifestyle, reducing obesity, some changes in your food habits, and quitting alcohol can reverse your fatty liver. Reversing your fatty liver, you have to limit or avoid alcohol, drink a lot of water, avoid hot food, take more citrus fruits. It is very important to lose your weight if you are obese. Avoid spicy or fatty food. Physical exercise is a proven therapeutic strategy to improve fatty liver. What are the dietary management you have to do for reversing your fatty liver? So some food substance you have to include and some you have to remove from your diet. So we will see what are those food you have to include or you have to avoid. We will see what are the best dietary plan for fatty liver. You have to include more proteinaceous food in your diet. Studies have shown that coffee will lower the amount of abnormal liver enzymes. Sunflower seed, which is a high source of vitamin E, will protect liver from further damage. So, try to consume more vitamin E rich food. Avoid trans fat from your diet such as cakes, ice cream, cookies, microwave popcorn, frozen pizza, biscuits, fried foods, etc. because this trans fat will cause more liver damage. So, better to avoid this trans fat. Instead, add more vegetables, fruits, and unprocessed whole grains in your diet. Avoid refined carbs from your diet such as white pastas, white breads, pastries, candy, sugary drinks, potato chips, fries, etc. Instead, add complex carbs in your diet such as legume, whole grain, fruits, green leafy vegetables, etc. In short, try to avoid all fast food because it will cause more fat deposition and elevated liver enzyme. Research suggested that avocados are high in healthy fat and it will slow the liver damage. Milk and milk products are high in whey protein which will protect the liver from further damage. Even walnut, which is rich in omega-3 fatty acid, it will help you to improve your liver function. You can even include some home remedies for improving your liver function such as ginger, turmeric, even lemon juice which is very rich in vitamin C. If you are consuming it 2 to 3 times a day for several weeks will improve your liver function. Garlic helps to reduce body weight and fat in people with fatty liver. Green tea helps to reduce cholesterol and it will improve liver function. Almond is a good source of antioxidants such as vitamin E and it is proved to be very much beneficial for the liver function. Fiber containing diet such as oatmeal can help you to maintain your weight and help in preventing and treating the fatty liver disease. Salmon, sardines, tuna and trout are high in omega-3 fatty acid which will improve the liver fat level. So try to include these fishes in your diet. Broccoli help in preventing the build-up of fat in the liver. So try to include broccoli also into your diet. Some dietary modification, quitting alcohol and eating healthy can reverse your fatty liver. So stay healthy, be safe. So if you find my video is useful, you please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.